Hey everyone, I was really excited to receive this product from the brand in exchange for this video. I go through so many cartridges with this HP Envy printer, and the cartridges come packed, nicely packed. They also come with these little gloves if you wish to put them on, and some directions. So let's give it a go and see how it works. Now I have to open the lid here to get the cartridges in, and it takes a second for it to calibrate. There it goes. So let's try the black one first. And you just pop it out like so. And I'm going to put the other one in and see how it goes. So that one just pops in pretty nice. Appears to be exactly the same, and it fits very well. Let's try the pink one now. The one thing is you do have to pop this top part off to get it, and then there is a little, you keep that portion on, and then there is a little sticker slide thing here on the side that you just pull off. So we will pop this other one out, and let's give it a go. So yeah, it printed out very, very well. I think this is a great alternative. The colors are vibrant, and the blues came out very well. So yeah.